Well, the tree's down, Dad. Say hello.
Hey, I'm glad you did it.
Well, they're going to try and come, or not try, but they're going to come and remove it with a couple dumpsters and a little grapple backhoe, trackhoe, and take it out. I'll take you up to the trunk, and felt right on the old shed. That was coming out because Branch already took it out. It was built to hold construction material when Mom and Dad built the house in the late 80s. And it really wasn't supposed to last as long as it did. Lasted at least well, 36, 37 years. Dropped it right between these two pine trees. This one here and that one there. Didn't scrape them much. Yeah, that held it better than I thought.
It did. If I didn't have that, the whole front would have been gone.
Yeah, it would have separated. That all thread,
Hold it.
yeah, kept the front from falling forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, that held it. Actually, it bent it inward, probably a little bit.
Yeah, good thing it was in there.
395 XP, ported by me. Dad, the old doggy. The old limpy dog, he has some issues. He's 15. Still likes to get involved in everything though. Don't you, Nero? You got it?
Yeah.
86 years old. He just picked up my 395 and walked away with it.